So we are back in our machine again. So let me try to connect to the SQL server. I have restarted my machine one more time, and let's see if it let me connect to the SQL server using the Windows authentication mode. Because in one thing that we should have to remember, if it is a partial machine, then we should have to restart the SQL server as well as the Windows server as well. So let me connect. I think it should connect now. It will take some time, but it should connect now. It's taking longer than the normal time. Uh, Network SQL server. I don't know what happened about that one. Let me connect one more time. It's supposed to be good now. Now you see, we can connect our SQL server machine, but if we try to connect to the using SQL server authentication, then it will not let me connect because it's using the single user. You know, that is in single user. So only one administrator can connect at this time. So we are unable to connect. Let me go to the configuration manager one more time. And now go to the same places again. Select the SQL Server services, then SQL Server, then go to the properties and go to the startup parameter, and then just delete this one, remove, and apply. Okay, okay. We have to restart our service. And after restarting the service, then it's supposed to be okay to log in both Windows and authentication mode and as well as SQL Server authentication mode. So also start the agent as well, because now it's good. So connect both the Windows and authentication mode and SQL Server authentication mode. It's supposed to be good. Let me see. Go to the Windows authentication mode, accept and give the password. It's supposed to connect. Yes, it's connect. So now we have configured both the SQL Server authentication mode and single user mode as well. How to connect to the SQL Server in both the way. And now we will go for the using command line. So let's go to the command line. Go to the command line, and one thing that it will not work. I have to use the run as administrator. Otherwise, it would not take effect. So let me see here. We should have to type stop net and then find out the server name. So where we'll get the server name. You have to go to the services. Type the services from here. Services. Click the services and just type here SQL. Then its server name will come. Yeah, you see the server name here. So go to the select the server name, go to the properties, and here you see the server name, MS SQL Server. This is now the server name, service name, display name, SQL Server. This one. Control C copy and then keep this one. Sorry. Control V. Enter. International code. So it's stop net stop maybe. Let's see stop net. This is the correct one. Stop net stop. Yes. My syntax was wrong. It's supposed to be net stop. So if I try type yes here, there is a yes no option. So if I put y here, then service will stop. Yes, you see the SQL Server agent service stopping. So service is stopped. So how can we check the service is stopped? Let me go to the services and go to the configuration manager. So we can see over there. You can check it from here as well, but let me go to the configuration manager. We can try it from here as well. If we give the SQL Server authentication mode, try to log in, it will not let me log in because service is already stopped. Uh, we can check it from here and as well as go to the configuration manager as well and find over there which is stopped. You see red mark, the service is stopped. So now service has been stopped and we should have to bring it to the single user mode. So how are we gonna do this? Let's see. So here we should have to write like net start and then server name, this one, control C, control V, and then here should be M. This one is M means we, we did it in configuration manager like minus M or dash M. Then it took effect, and here is we should have to write like slash M forward slash M. Then it will go to the single user mode. Yes, now it's the single user mode. So let me try to the log into the SQL Server Management Studio. It's a single user mode. I think we'll have to restart the both server and machine as well. Let me see if it connect. Yeah, as I said, it is not connected. So let me go out from everything. Like as I told you, there is a virtual machine. So we should have to out from the Management Studio and then let me see one more time if we take effect in here. Let me see. I think it will not work until we restart the machine. No, it's good. Now it started. But go to the uh, now I can try with the SQL Server authentication mode to see how it works. I think it did not let me connect to the server. You see? I mean, server is single user. Only one administrator can connect at this time. So we cannot connect. So what should the connection? We need to remove the single user mode command. So how I could do it? That stop. We should have to stop the SQL server. Now server is stopped and then start again. So net start. start. So it's starting, and now we can log in to the SQL Server in both SQL Server authentication mode and as well as Windows mode. So let's see if we can connect. Now we should have to let me try one password one more time. Maybe I did a mistake typing the password. Let me see. Yes, now it's connected, and let's start the server agent as well. Refresh it. It's good. So we can now we can do it in both using the command prompt as well as using the GUI version as well to using the configuration manager as well to uh, log into the both SQL Server multi-user mode and single user mode as well. So that's it for now. Thank you. Thank you for watching.